Welcome to Homework Answers. We're going through the textbook Programming, Logic, and Design, 8th edition by Joyce Farrell. And in this video, we're covering Chapter 2, Exercise 7. As always, remember to make the necessary corrections. There are a few things that change, but it's basically the same structure that you'll find. You might have to change like numbers or names or something. This problem, like all the rest in the chapter, I believe only asks for the hierarchy chart, but I've coded it out for you to see. And basically we're just trying to find how much it's going to cost for a cleaning service to clean our bathrooms and bedrooms. So we have to determine how many bedrooms we want cleaned and how many bathrooms we want cleaned. There's a service charge and each room has a charge. So we're going to look at the hierarchy chart here. We've got main program, then we've got housekeeping. It wants you to put your name, so you do that, and then we've got the detail loop here, and this is one of those programs where we're going to have it run over and over and over again. So throughout the day, you're not going to close out of the program. You're going to have one customer, then it's going to ask you for, to start over again when you get a new customer. We're going through a loop here. And the way you end the day is you have to enter a sentinel value. So it's going to check that. We're going to check the sentinel value whenever it asks for the, if you're asked for the name and you enter that sentinel value, then the loop exits and you would assume that you're ending the day. If you don't enter that value, you go to get bedrooms, so you're checking how many bedrooms the person wants cleaned, and same with bathrooms. Then you've got display service charge, because there's just a base charge that's going to be attached to every service. So every time they come out to help, it's just a given that they're going to charge $50 just to be there. And I've got that up here, you'll see. After that, we've got calculate the total charge and display the total charge. And then inside of the loop, we're going to ask for the name again, and we're going to check to make sure that it's not the sentinel value to exit the loop. And if it's not, we run it again. If it is, we go to end of job and display a message. So let's look at the code up here. I've got 3 constants listed here because the bedroom charge, the charge for a bedroom is always going to be $15. Bathroom charge to do a bathroom is always going to be $20. And the service charge is always going to be $50. Those numbers could be different in the book, so you'll want to check that. Next, I've declared the variables. So I've got string first name. You're going to enter your first name. And then I've got the number of bathrooms, the number of bedrooms, and the total charge. So next we're going to go into asking, this is the first time we're interacting with the program, and it's going to ask what your first name is. You enter that. Calculations, we're going to do the while loop, because we could have, who knows how many customers we're going to have that day. We just want to leave it up to whatever happens and only exit the program when we enter a certain string or number. And so I've got while, conditions go inside of these. So while the first name is not equal to that, and it's not equal to this, I'm using just 3 Qs, and if you don't type in either of those, then the loop will continue, you'll do everything inside of the loop. And what's inside of it is how many bathrooms there are. So you're going to ask, how many bathrooms do you want cleaned? Or bedrooms. And that should be bedrooms there. My bad. And then we need this to be bathrooms. So you enter that, and then you're going to ask bathrooms, how many do you want of those cleaned? And then you're going to output, because the book wants you to output the service charge. It's just going to tell you, hey, you've got the service charge that we charge this every time, and it's going to be that charge of $50. After that, you're going to go into the calculation section to find out what the total value is, or the total charge. and that's the service charge plus the number of bedrooms times however much one bedroom charge costs, plus the number of bathrooms times whatever the bathroom charge is. So that'll give you your total charge. After that, you're going to output the total cost for the service. This is the $sign, by the way, just in case you don't know. And I've got set precision to 2 and fixed because I want 2 decimal places. I don't want just 2 numbers, I want 2 decimal places. And then I put the total charge there. And then at the end of the loop, I'm asking for the first name again because I want to see if we're going to keep running the loop over and over or if we're going to exit it. And if I type in either one of these, then we exit the loop and we output this statement here. And the company is called Best Cleaning Service Ever. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's watch it run. So what's the first name? Just do Steve. Bedrooms, maybe 2, and bathrooms. Let's do 3. So it tells me the service charge is going to be $50 and my total cost, I'm going to have to pay $140 for all of that. And then it's asking my first name again, Tim. Let's do 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So again, it displays, hey, you know, just you're going to be charged a service fee, and this is your total, everything included, service fee and all the rooms and bathrooms. And then I have first name again. Well, let me exit the program here. And then it outputs the exit statement there. Thank you for choosing Best Cleaning Service Ever. So that's it for this problem. Just remember, when you have set precision and fixed, you do need to have this up here. Include IOMAN IP. And I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.